Hello class. So as you already know, we are covering your topics related to EOY. So today I am coming with another topic. The topic name is disease. So before continuing the video, I will uh, urge you to please try to solve the worksheet which I will provide along with this video. This that worksheet will be very important for you, as it will contain very important questions from your EOY point of view. Okay, so let's start the topic. The topic is disease in human. So we already know there are some diseases which are spread by not human contact. Okay, they are spread by some organisms like mosquitoes, like flies. So what are they? They are the vectors. So what are the vectors? Vectors are the organism such as mosquito or flies to spread the infections. Okay, and such organism is called as vector. So here what they will do, they will take the infection from the person who is infected from that particular disease to the person who is vulnerable to the particular infection. So he will, so that the vectors will take the infection from one person to another person, and by this the infection will spread out. Yes, okay, infection will spread out. uh, but there are some diseases which can spread through direct contact also. Okay, like we have so like some diseases such as common cold and covid can spread from the infected person to a healthy person. Some diseases that can spread from one person to another are called as communicable disease. Diseases that can spread from one person to another person are called as communicable disease. Communicable means by communication. When you are doing when you are in communication or in touch, they are spread through the one person to the another person. These are called as communicable disease. Okay, now I hope you have understood what are the communicable disease. Okay, now I will take some examples of communicable disease. First is food poisoning. So what will cause the disease? Bacteria. And mode of transmission is infected food. So what will happen here, the vector will sit on the infected food. Okay, and when you will get into the touch of that particular vector, you will also get infected. So food, so what we have to remember here, they see there are lots of things about the diseases, but you have to remember which causes the disease and mode of transmission. So food poisoning caused by bacteria, mode of transmission is infected food. Second, tuberculosis caused by bacteria, mode of transmission is air. Third, cholera, cause of the disease is bacteria. Okay, mode of transmission is contaminated water and food. So you must have seen in the summer, most of the people get infected with cholera. It is a bacterial disease, and the good thing about bacterial disease is they have a cure. Okay, if you will take the contaminated water or food, you may get infected. Typhoid, it is also spread by using the contaminated water. It also spread by bacteria. Okay, malaria, very important topic. Malaria, it caused by protozoa, and the mode of transmission is female anopheles mosquito. Female anopheles mosquito. Next point is measles. So measles is a virus. Measles disease caused from the virus, and the mode of transmission is air. Okay. Another point is polio. It also caused by virus. Mode of transmission is air or water. Eh? Pulse polio abhiyan, you must have remember about pulse polio abhiyan. Another point topic is another disease is hepatitis B. It is caused by the virus and from the contaminated water. Next point, dengue. Who will cause the disease? Virus. And vector will be female Aedes mosquito. In case of malaria, Anopheles. Okay, but in case of dengue, it will be Aedes. Okay, Aedes and Anopheles. Aedes will be in the case of dengue, and it is from virus. Malaria is from protozoa, and the vector is Anopheles mosquito. Chickenpox, it also spread from virus, and the mode of transmission is contact with an infected person. Okay, so see, there is not much in this topic. What you have to do is keep writing these disease and what causes the disease and what is the mode of transmission. 2-3 times when you will write, okay, you will get used to the things will be stick into your mind. Okay, so thank you. I hope you like the video, and as I already told you, please watch the try to solve the worksheet which I will provide. Okay, there might be some questions in the worksheet which you find hard to solve, but try, at least try. Okay, thank you.